Hello guys, in this video we're going to see about automated business process. Business process is nothing but conversion of an input into an output by applying coordinated and standardized flow of an activities. Now let's take an example of a cotton mill where raw cotton is the input and which is converted into semi-finished product, and the semi-finished product that is the yarn is converted into a cloth. There are various types of business process like manufacturing, accounting, sales, purchase, HR functions, marketing functions. These business processes are categorized into three types. The first one is the operational or a primary process, which deals with core business and their main objective is to generate revenue and achieve value chain. Example purchasing, manufacturing, and sales. Now, coming to the supporting process, which is not directly linked to the benefit of the customer. Now, in our cotton mill, the employees and the workers are very skilled and talented. They maintain a good payroll procedures. They does not take unnecessary leaves, and they are very disciplined. These are the qualities which does not give any direct benefit to the customer. But however, this impact on the efficiency of the enterprise. When the efficiency of the enterprises were very good, it reflects in the qualities of the products. When the qualities of the product is good, the customer is benefited. Supporting process provides indirect benefit to the customer. Example HR management and accounting, marketing functions. Now coming to the management process. Here decision making, controlling, budgeting, those types of activities are involved here by top level officials. Management process is also like supporting process which provides indirect benefit to the customer. Here example strategic planning will be coming. Now coming to the business process automation. This is nothing but we are replacing manual works by automated techniques. Now factors affecting BPA success are the characteristics that good BPA should possess. First one is the confidentiality, which means the data only known to authorized users. Now we are generating a good amount of revenues and earning a huge amount of profits by running our cotton mill. Even in times of a scarcity of raw materials, our production process doesn't get stopped. So one of our competitors came to know about our company. Even in times of a scarcity of raw materials, we are earning a good amount of profit. So gave money to one of our employee to know about the suppliers data. Now the suppliers data is something sensitive for us. So we want to protect. So if we automated our accounting and the bookkeeping systems by installing Tally or ERP softwares, then such software also should ensure the protection of such suppliers data. Then the data only known to authorized users. We can protect such data by keeping a password, and that password is only known to authorized users. This is about confidentiality. Now coming to integrity. It means no unauthorized amendments made to data. Now for example, we are ordering 500 tons of raw materials from our supplier. So someone should not make unauthorized amendments like making it as 50 tons or making it as 500 tons or changing the date and time. So how if we want to make any authorized modification and the changes, that access only granted to authorized users. So the automated system should ensure that integrity. Now coming to the availability. It means the data must be available whenever it is asked. Now it is a stock audit during our company. The auditor is asking about details regarding a stock. How many were in raw materials and how many were in work in progress and how many are in finished goods. So such details regarding the stocks must be recorded in a proper way in automated systems. Now coming to the timeliness, that is data must be available at a right time. That is the data must be readily available whenever they are asking. In times of audit, auditor is asking data regarding a stock statement, monthly stock statement. So we should be provided at a right time. So that system provide it. Now coming to the benefits of automated process. The first benefit is the quality and the consistency. Now in our cotton mill we automated some process like accounting, billing and manufacturing process. So when accounting process are automated, automatically the entry will be posted to the particular accounts. The payment and the settlement transactions are recorded in a proper way. The amount involved also recorded without errors. If it is recorded manually, what will be happen? Some types of error will be coming, like error of principal, error of posting, error of casting. All those errors will be coming, and we want to do rectification entries and we want to break our heads. So it takes a lot of time. By automating this accounting and the billing systems, we can save also time and we can also have quality and the consistency. Now coming to the visibility. I wanted to know about normal loss in my company. In spinning process, that is when a cotton is converted into a thread, some wastages is occurring, normal wastages. I wanted to know how many were normal wastages, and I want to compare it with total wastages, and I want to identify the abnormal wastages to correct it. So when that spinning process is automated, so the normal wastages are moved to the particular container. That particular container will automatically weight the normal wastages. By this I can easily identify how many were normal wastages, and by knowing the normal wastages, even I can calculate the abnormal wastages from total wastages. So this provides visibility. Now coming to improved operational efficiency. There is no errors. The accounting and the billing process are very good manner, and even I can identify the normal wastages and abnormal wastages, and I can take various decisions to correct them. Even I can innovate something new in the company. So this provides operational efficiency. Now coming to the governance and the reliability. So when the accounting and those systems are automated, we can rely on the amounts calculated by the systems and the softwares. Now coming to the reduced lead times. In manual process, it takes 4 months to fulfill our customers' orders. After automating the process in our organization, it just take 1.5 months to fulfill the customer's order. This is the benefit of reduced lead time. Now coming to reduced turnaround time. If I issue 1000 tons of raw materials into the production process, now the production process were manual, so it's take a lot of time getting into converted into finished product. So when the last part of raw materials are issued into the production process, such raw materials loses their qualities and even some get scrapped. This will result in the loss of a company. So when the production process is automated, the raw materials are manufactured at very fast, and there is no chance of becoming scrap, and the raw materials also doesn't loses their quality. This is the benefit of reduced turnaround time. Now coming to the reduced cost. In weaving process, it requires 500 employees to weave that thread into the cloth. Totally for them I need to pay 50 lakhs as a salary, pays whatever. Now if I installed the automated weaving plant in that company, which cost only about 30 lakhs, even the including their repairs and installation charges amounts to 5 lakhs, so totally 35 lakhs, so I can save 15 lakhs. So this is the benefit of a reduced cost. Now which business process should be automated? The first is the repetitive task. The repetitive tasks like accounting, billing, those process can be automated. Now where the process requires multiple people to execute. As I said, in weaving process it requires multiple people to execute. For them I need to pay those 50 lakhs as salary. So such process can be automated by installing that plant. Now coming to the time sensitive process. In spinning process it's take 6 months of a time, for example. Now when I automate the spinning process, just to take a 2 months of time. So that type of process can be automated. Now any other process relating to compliance and audit. So such process like that internal control, accounting, those process can be automated. Now coming to the process which have a significant impact on other process and the systems. Now for example, purchase department's process have impact on a production department process. When a purchase department purchases a good quality from the suppliers, and the good quality of the raw materials are issued into the production process. Likewise, marketing department process also have impact on a sales department process. When marketing departments do very good amount of marketing strategies, So it will automatically will generate the sales. So marketing department and the sales department, the customer data is a common data. So any data when marketing department gets about customer data, it is transferred to the sales department automatically and vice versa. Now steps involved in implementing business process automation. First we want to define why we plan to implement a business process automation. Now let's take a same example, cotton mill. Why I plan to implement BPA? Because I want to reduce the accounting errors. I want to improve operational efficiency. I want to achieve my sales target, production targets. I want to achieve my goals and objective, whatever. Now understand the rules and regulation which needs to compile with. So what are the rules and regulations regarding it? Companies Act, GST and Income Tax Act, Consumer Protection Act, those things. I want to understand and study about those things. Now you want to document the process which you wish to automate. Accounting, billing, spinning process, weaving process, payroll process. I want to automate. Now define the objectives and the goals to be achieved by implementing BPA. What types of goals I can be achieved? So I can achieve my production targets, sales targets. So I can reduce the errors and I can improve the operational efficiency. Now engage the business process consultant and consult about the advantages and the disadvantages of implementing such process and the idea of implementing it. Now calculate the return on investments for the projects. So by implementing this project and making investment on this product, how many return you can earn? Those types. Now you develop the business process automation. Now the test that BPA, whether how it's working. Now these are about steps involved in implementing BPA. Now the remaining things will be coming in the next part.